Sikeleli Afrika Maluhara Yesu Kondolwayo Zansi Izayimithanda Zoyethu Welcome Nkosi we are going Sikelela Enough South Africa. Oh yeah. Welcome. Oh yes. 2026. Welcome. 2026. Yeah. We come USA. Come on. Before we start, I just wanna thank the biggest team, the biggest.
What if they played
in Africa?
Osimhen.
The biggest, the best striker in the world.
I guess the hairstyle says it all. Osimhen. The masked man, Batman himself.
Guy deserves 3 ladies from South Africa and citizenship and his land.
Yeah,
Just for
And 3 houses.
which province do you think we should give him?
3 provinces. 3 cars.
Island once. I mean, Robben Island. Who stays there?
Osimhen.
We're giving you that land. It's yours. It's yours, Osimhen. You are a hero. You are our Nelson Mandela. Thank you.
Okay, James. Yeah. Let's talk about
And
it.
what if Nigeria played Lookman? What was gonna happen?
Hey,
We're going to
Did they
look.
play him?
Yeah.
no.
Did they play him?
I
He was-
think
He had 2 yellow cards.
He didn't play though.
Imagine if they wanted to sabotage South Africa just to play.
He was going
What
to
was
be
gonna
looking for men.
Marabafet, we have to give it to the boys.
Yeah, but
They
they
played.
played
They
well.
played. You know what's funny, ne?
Yeah.
Because before the match, South Africa was divided into 2.
Yeah.
It was Chiefs and Bafana Bafana. Pirates was Bafana Bafana, by the way.
Baba. A club
So-
dividing a nation.
Then all of a sudden, South Africa wins or Pirates wins. Then it's all back to 1.
But slow. Slow. When you say it was divided into 2, I get that.
Yeah.
But I also support your point. But it was divided in 2 in the regard that it was people against Hugo Bruce and people who were supporting Hugo Bruce. And in my opinion, really, it's crazy to go against Hugo Bruce. Really, like if
He's
you
the main coach, like he's the decision maker.
even
Why?
though like
he has proven that his decision,
bro, like
right.
he's taking us to the AFCON semi-final.
In how long?
AFCON
How long?
semi-final. Look at this man.
He's
Look at
undefeated.
and this man I know you
I'm undefeated, yes.
Undefeated. By the
Undefeated.
fact that
No.
undefeated.
20 games. No lose.
You saw that guy was like he hasn't won any game in 20 games. That is very impressive. Then Hugo Bruce was like, what? The the result of bringing politicians into the field.
Yeah.
He played.
You know what Bruce was supposed to do, my friend?
Yeah.
Just put 4 Kaizer Chiefs players.
Yeah.
Don't play them. Mention them in your squad.
For what?
No.
For what?
My friend, I
What?
said
What
don't
difference
play
would they have
them.
made?
Exactly.
Difference was they
Don't play them. Just mention them.
Why though? If
Why?
you're not gonna play them,
Oh, then why mention Cupido?
It's his choice.
How
Okay,
is this?
who- was this- was this take Maurice.
To
Was he
make
supposed to take Maurice?
who was he supposed to take?
feel better.
Who was he supposed to
To
take?
make them.
Don't
Nation-
put other players.
Okay.
Kaizer Chiefs, who was he supposed
I'll
to
go
take?
to the goalkeepers.
Yeah.
Number
You
1.
want Nchebe.
Obvious, my
For
friend.
what?
So number 1
Nchebe is better
Fala-
than Gos.
by far.
Telling me Nchebe is better than Gos.
By far.
How?
Okay, before Nyewood,
What?
when last did Ghost kept a clean sheet?
When last did Peterson kept it.
He kept 5 in a row.
When?
5.
Don't about history. That's 5 years ago. It's
What do you
past.
mean 5 years ago?
Chiefs has been losing.
It was
ever
5
since.
games. Even Quick Half won a clean sheet.
Chiefs has been losing.
Even
ever
Quick Half
since.
won a clean sheet.
But it doesn't have clean sheet. It's first leg. So it doesn't have a clean sheet.
Okay, so far won 6.
But it doesn't matter now
Who
because
goes in Angak?
Chiefs is performing
Who goes in
bad.
Angak?
It's performing bad.
Who goes
Chiefs.
in Angak?
That
Who
goes
goes to 3 goals from
Now,
a
okay,
small
now-
team like
now-
the Pirates?
now. Small team.
Small
Don't
team.
disrespect
Compared
the
to the
badge.
Chiefs, that's a small
Don't
team.
disrespect the badge.
Who's badge?
The badge. The
Who's
biggest badge right now.
Who's
Badge
badge?
just hit 1 million followers. It's one of the best.
Joining us. They're joining us.
Badge.
We are already betting and we're sitting waiting for you
Ukuthi
to come.
ukuthi wena, you became successful first and Mina, I followed. It doesn't mean ukuthi Mina, I
Follow
We are
the
there, Baba. We
leader.
are there.
Follow
Let me get the
the leader. Follow
What is
the
leader
leader.
doing?
Follow.
What is the leader
My
doing?
friend, if the head says go, go east, you go east.
You know which wena, you are just supporting Chiefs because again they were beating you to support Chiefs. You have
No.
Chiefs
Do you know?
haven't given you
Do you know
anything
the funny thing
to
about
say
me?
Chiefs is the best.
When they gave birth to me, my hands
Yeah, that's why you support
my hands
the mask.
were like,
Us,
no,
us we don't
God.
we don't support Pirates because we were beaten. We support Pirates because we are.
Chance, I think we're losing the plot.
Yeah.
I think we're losing the plot.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a parent. The parents that support Chiefs.
Yeah.
They have this thing, man. Of
The Pirates that support Chiefs.
Yeah, the parents, as essentially the people that rule the
parents,
houses.
parents,
Yeah, the
yeah.
parents. The people that rule
The
the
Pirates,
houses.
what support Chiefs?
Ah, man, now, people that man.
Okay.
Those people, they have this tendency of waking up in the morning, going and buy abantwana amajezi with Kaizer Chiefs
Sure.
by force. Umntwana umayikhula, the only thing he knows, she or he knows, is Ipechi Chiefs. So now you grow up thinking Gucci Chiefs is the only team in the world because the only thing you do is knowing the badge of the Chiefs. You don't even watch Ebola. But once you start watching Ebola, you realize Pirates plays the best ball in the world. But you can't support Pirates because you won't eat when you sleep. That's what happened to you. That's why you are so loyal.
Could I ask you, ngicela ukukubuza,
Uh-huh.
when is your birthday?
Why is that relevant?
Let's check back and see.
Your birthday?
Let's check.
Bafana.
Yeah.
Bafana.
Bafana.
Back to Bafana.
Bafana.
Okay.
Shabalala was the representative of Chiefs. You saw him play his minutes. Everyone was happy that he was playing. I can say this with wide mouth. They were not happy because it's the Chiefs fans. They were happy because it's Shabalala.
Oh, wait. Who? You said they were not happy because the what?
They were not actually. I'm making error. They were not happy because
You support the team wrong.
they were happy because it's Mtutuzi Shabalala. Everyone loves Shabalala. Everyone.
You know when you said Chabalala, I thought you were talking about Simpiwe Chabalala.
Even Simpiwe. I think it's part of the surname. Shabalala. Everyone loves Shabalala. Who didn't love Simpiwe Shabalala?
You remember Pirates is a creator of Shabalala, no guy defend.
Ah.
It didn't end well for him, but it's fine. Let's move on. Bafana.
Come on.
Yeah. Hugo Bruce, we're still talking about Hugo Bruce.
Ah.
I was saying that anyone who's against Hugo Bruce should just not support Bafana. And one thing I want to mention. Everyone who was not supporting Bafana
Stay away from Bafana.
through our dark days should not support Bafana at the World Cup.
Right now you sound like Baba Mteto.
No.
You sound like Baba Mteto.
People were not supporting Bafana going through shit. When we're not.
Now they support Bafana because we went to the World Cup.
Oh, yeah,
Hey, it's like that, bro.
my man.
No, they should no.
Tabang. We are talking football here.
Yeah.
Nah.
If you are playing shit, we mustn't protect you. We must expose you.
No, the thing is, I get that, but they were not
Exactly.
supporting.
Even but they were playing it. So even a game against Zim, that was a straight win.
So now, if your team doesn't, Kaizer Chiefs play shit. You've been supporting Kaizer Chiefs. No, I'm just saying.
It always boys, the boys. The boys.
Kaizer Chiefs plays
The boys.
Kaizer Chiefs supporters.
And
why is Kaizer Chiefs the example?
Because they won in NetBank.
Exactly. Exactly.
Won in NetBank.
People are not supporting Bafana back then. Now they want to support
when you say back then, you mean last game?
No. I mean before we started performing well. Before Hugo Bruce came. When we still had. Yeah, the man. Shakes my shop. Nah, we should call.
More Baxter, we won against Egypt, and that was the best thing ever.
But I feel like Egypt is overrated. Hey, have you ever seen Egypt play against big teams? It always flops. Even Morocco has a better record. Egypt is overrated. I mean, yeah, Morocco now is. We can put it as number one in Africa. Morocco is the best. We can put Morocco number one. We can put Bafana number two. Because it was the best in the world. It was second best, third best in the world. 2022. Yeah. So Morocco is Egypt is South Africa. You see, South Africa is thriving on everything. Like for the first time, we can say South Africa is thriving on everything. It was under 20 World Cup, qualified to last 16.
Yeah.
Now we qualified to the World Cup. Do you think this is the best squad that South Africa ever had? Best squad? No. Is it the best team? Yeah. I was about to touch on that. Best squad, in terms of individual brilliance, I don't think so. Because, like, if you check the 2010 squad was third. Like, the 2010, I know they underperformed, but that squad. What made them use that? Was. They were useless. No. Okay, Shabalala. Okay,
those words, my friend. Take back those words.
He made a comment, made a comment about him being on the World Cup, But my question is, what did they do? They didn't do shit. Those guys. Yeah. The best players individually, yes, you can't take it away. But for a team, for Bafana, we only celebrated one goal. We only have that one goal to shut everyone up, but South Africa didn't do shit. Yeah, they didn't do well, boy. They didn't do well.
Did you guys check the group stage that way?
It doesn't matter. You are the host. It doesn't matter which group. You can't. Okay.
Right now. Don't forget they didn't qualify.
They were given.
Yeah. Just like right now, if we were given France, Portugal, do we stand a chance to win?
It doesn't matter. Who do we stand a chance? We don't care. We only care about the performance. How do you perform? Do you see yourself as the best?
Do you think we can outperform?
We can't outperform them.
Exactly. That's what happened.
But compete. But I think we have a chance.
In terms of what?
We do have a chance.
So we compete when we are losing 5-0.
2010.
That was 3 years ago.
And then the coach was still new.
Yeah, but I'm saying, do you compete in that manner?
But now I think we can compete now against France.
Who will stop Mbappe? Honestly speaking.
Switching sides.
No, we have the best right back.
You are switching sides.
We have Sailor. Why didn't you stop him last time?
No, he wasn't there. Remember, it was Moby.
He made a penalty. We tried and he made it.
No, do you remember that time when Mbappe left him? It's like,
but what I can say now, we won't concede 5. Will we score?
Exactly.
Will we score?
Actually,
will we score?
Actually, I just want to touch on that.
Will make a play.
Yeah, I want to touch on that. I was watching the World Cup of the under-20s, and I'm noticing something, and I don't think South African people want to admit it. At the AFCON and at the World Cup, I'm noticing a trend. And that trend is we are currently at the competitions cups. I think our best football is counter-attacking football.
Counter-attack. Yeah, the Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates football.
You know,
That's the traditional football.
counter-attacking football.
Whoa.
Don't praise Kaizer Chiefs.
I'm not.
Yeah.
So I think like our best chance at the World Cup
Counter-attack.
is playing a counter-attacking.
Counter-attack.
Being
We
solid
like
at the back.
Liverpool
Based on the
win.
current on the
No.
because we cannot play counter attack
Listen,
playing against
back.
big players.
We can.
Spuda, back. If you
Ukunde
want
counter-attack.
you see, that's what makes teams to lose. If you go with that thing, which you have to change the style of football just because you are playing a certain team. You're
Yeah.
game. For an example, Peggy Barcelona against Inter. The Inter didn't change football yeah. They didn't. They won. They didn't. They were not like, Barcelona is Oslanda. Barcelona will come to us and they will open us up. No, they continued playing what they know. So in Zanzibar, should do the same thing. It doesn't matter which opponent we face. If we don't score, we don't score. Don't change your style of football just because you're playing France. Don't play a style of football just because you're playing Brazil or anything. You play the football that you know. The moment you change how you play, you lose it.
No, it's
'Cause
not.
the players are not used. If you don't change, the players know how to create chances.
It's not
It doesn't
changing.
matter whether you're defending against Van Dijk or you're defending against who. Play the ball that you know you'll create chances and you will win.
And
don't change anything.
And also, I just wanna pick up a point now. What's this? If you look at the best performances that Bafana had,
Counter-attacks only.
yeah, if you go back to history against Egypt, when we beat Egypt at their home at the AFCON, counter-attack.
Even Morocco, when we
beat Morocco,
beating Morocco, it's counter-attacks. Oh, now counter-attacks.
Yeah.
When we played at the AFCON, counter-attack. Bafana squad, the under-20s, Amachita, counter-attack.
And the funny thing is, we don't even have the fastest players.
Exactly.
But you know the football we know.
You know why? Because Simnandi.
Yeah.
So we can connect passes very quickly.
Yeah.
And like in a split second, we in the opposition half and we score a goal.
I'm not talking about change the system. It's adapt to a game.
But that's what we do.
We do that.
My friend,
we always expose. We expose opponents. We let them play, then we expose them.
Yes.
Even
a counter attack
against it. Eventually, you
a counter attack. Izim wasn't moving anymore. They were standing still. They knew Ulunga knew ukuthi these guys they play a counter attack.
Okay, the important
they failed to change the system yokuthi ba open up Izim ukuthi bayiphane.
For me, we rather not concede than to concede because we changed the system. We rather fail sticking up to what make us win than failing because we changed it. Why change it if it was making you win? Don't change the system just because you have a different opponent. Rather lose.
My friend.
If you don't lose, adapt to what you see. But changing the system, because changing the system means changing the players. Because now you're going to start putting up Muremi, Sibilibili, Murena. Then that's when you lose it. Because you know which Muremi will go back. Sibilibili will try to shoot from the distance. Murena will try to cross the ball while we don't have someone who's
ukubamba kancane. Ngikushintshele nje just kancane itopic.
Yeah.
PSG against Chelsea.
Babafaka counter-attack.
No, they were pressing.
They pressed them ukuthi bangakhona ukudlala their quick football.
Yeah.
Ucoach there bekamele ashintshe system. Wafuna ukumaintain the same thing. They were exposed. They looked like the worst team on planet Earth. So better or change or adapt to the game.
I can say this, ne. I can say.
Sure, better lose playing my same thing.
Yeah. I wanna lay adaptation or show is based on defending wise, ne.
Not defending.
Because in the Chelsea, they were playing like Chelsea, but the only thing that changed was we pressed them high.
Yeah.
It didn't change how they play.
Exactly.
We pressed them high.
PSG
the only way to defeat PSG and Barcelona, press them high. Play like the Man City. You see the Man City Aguero. Play like them. They're not gonna do anything. But if you play positioning football, you're not gonna win. Just like Arsenal, play for positioning football, you're not gonna win. Against Liverpool, play positioning football, you're not gonna win. That's why Pep was the best
Okay.
coach on those seasons, but he never won a game. He was always struggling against Liverpool and Arsenal.
What if since uthi Mzansi idlala counter attack,
Yeah.
they meet it?
No, we're not saying
press.
no.
We're not
Sibuda. We're not saying that Mzansi plays counter attack. We're saying
Say
counter-attacking
our-
football.
It's our strength.
Yeah, it's our strength.
So
Don't
don't you
change
think don't you think the opposition team studies that thing?
But they do. But what we're saying is, even when Pella, remember, when you're playing counter attack, we're not saying beat Barcelona do highlight.
Yeah. Yeah,
We're saying-
Mzansi idlala highlight.
Yeah, we're
I
saying
know. Yeah.
stick to counter attack.
But what if it's not working?
Because, it's going to work. You know why?
No. What
know
if
why?
it's not working?
What if it's not working?
It's been working for
it's
the
been
past.
working.
No.
You know
we
why?
are going to the World Cup.
Because-
Bafana.
Yeah.
What if it's not working
Born.
against the Azerbaijan?
Born.
It's not working. It's not.
Azerbaijan is not a country.
What do you mean it's not a
It's
country?
not a country.
Because you qualify the World Cup.
Azerbaijan is not a club.
What do you mean?
I always treat it like a club.
So we explain one point that the Azerbaijan.
What is it? Look, my name is Tabang. I'm from Azerbaijan. When I say my name is Tabang, oh, my name is Tando Pepe, I'm playing for Azerbaijan. It's named by a person you can understand. Who this
Yeah.
was out of ideas. Azerbaijan.
There is a country where visit Jordan.
That one was lazy to name.
There is a country where visit
That one
Jordan.
dreamt about Jordan. Michael Jordan was like, there's a guy that was. You can't name a country.
my friend.
In the future, he's gonna be the greatest basketball player.
Yo.
Yeah.
To the World Cup. Spuda, can you bring your mic closer to us? Like, so no, to me.
Yeah.
Like this. Back to the World Cup, gents.
Yeah.
Do you guys think the World Cup is actually gonna overshadow AFCON? Because we are now focusing on a tournament that's next year, whereas we have a tournament that's in December.
That's a great point.
Because we are forgetting about AFCON, but first on the World Cup.
And every
Are we gonna use the very same squad for AFCON in the World Cup preparation? What's happening with that?
No, I think on that one, everyone is forgetting the main point. Remember, now every player is fighting for. I feel like it's also gonna improve South African League right now for this moment. Everyone is fighting to qualify to go and play the World Cup, meaning every player will be at their best. And that thing is making us also fans to forget that we're playing AFCON this year.
But I just want to say something. I think as the fans, I don't think the players and the coaching staff will forget about the AFCON.
Yeah.
So
But Tina, as
as
we
the
don't
fans,
even know who's gonna play.
No,
We are too excited about.
We don't even
qualifying.
care because World Cup is bigger than AFCON.
but I just wanna touch on the AFCON topic. I think AFCON is a good preparation for the World Cup to see our level,
Yeah,
because I actually think we have a good chance at the AFCON. We can actually take the AFCON.
we have.
Like, we really have a
We
good
have
chance of
to.
winning the
We
AFCON,
have to.
because like if you check how we performed last
Last
AFCON,
yeah.
we did great. Like that AFCON,
Was-
if Mutau scores that chance against
No,
Nigeria,
No.
we are going to the World Cup, to the final, and in the final anything can happen. We
After
can win the
Mutau.
AFCON.
After Mudal,
Yeah.
if Lipasa didn't defend for Nigeria, we're gonna go through. Lipasa defended the chance against Mukwena. He blocked Ipola Mukwena. Then after, instead of passing Mukwena, he decided to play like a FIFA 10 player. You can't shoot facing your goal post. That guy was facing his own goal. He tried to shoot his goal instead of passing to Mukwena.
Yeah.
So if Lipasa wasn't there,
But I get that, but the Mutau chance was
No,
clear.
let's
The
not,
Mutau chance was
let's not
Ah,
base it
that-
on the ifs.
No,
But stand a
Spuda,
chance.
no, I
In
get.
order for us
Uh-uh.
to see the future, we have to consider the
Let-
ifs that were there.
Let's not.
Because the ifs help us to make
You know,
make the
do you know every
correct
if that happened there
mistakes.
is the reason why we qualified for World Cup.
What?
Every if that
And they-
happened
and
there,
they were not you were-
we let them win so that they help us go to the World Cup. The master strategist,
but-
my
but-
friend.
and the
A
winner-
master
winner-
strategist
and the
will
winner-
see it
winner-
coming.
Wena, you're talking like you supported your lookalike. You're talking like you supported the Hugo Bruce.
Minama lookalike is Osimhen. Osimhen is my lookalike.
You talking like we are fighting with you ever since we started.
Osimhen.
Guys, I don't like that guy. It's time that Hugo Bruce, we let him go.
No,
like,
what? No, but on a serious note,
The eye and say when Hugo Bruce is not the greatest coach to coach Bafana right now. Who has been better than Hugo Bruce?
Stuart Baxter.
What did he do?
not Stuart Baxter.
What?
I'd say
What did he do?
maybe
When-
Steve
when
Barker.
Did he
when
make us qualify?
when
make us reach the World Cup?
Salah
We
when
reached the semi-finals
when
of
Salah
AFCON.
was on his peak,
Why you talk about Salah when you
my
talk about
man,
South Africa?
when Salah was on his peak,
Why is Salah there?
when Salah was on his peak, Mzansi managed to shut him.
It was all you did the
So
time.
you're talking about one
No,
player.
but it was
Isn't we beat Ziyech, we beat him, we beat Hakim, we beat Naziri after knocking out Ronaldo. Then you're gonna talk about Salah.
Salah. There Salah was on his peak,
He was on his peak.
Yeah.
A player can have a bad game.
and
We're talking
but
about
he chose to
multiple-
have a
it
big
was
game
only-
against
It was
Mzansi.
only Salah. We're talking about multiple players.
After-
He chose
after-
to
talking
have-
about
he
Bono.
chose to have a
We're
big
talking about
game.
Bono. Bono was one of the greatest goalkeepers. He still is.
After
There's no-
beating
tell me-
Algeria.
Tell me more than 10 goalkeepers that are better than Moroccan goalkeeper right now. But you still beat him. Mukwena scored a free
No,
kick and celebrated like the
Then
best.
then
guy in the
he
world.
wasn't the best.
After
was.
beating
He
Salah,
wasn't.
what do we do?
Bono is
He
beat.
wasn't.
How
Yes,
many
Buddha.
times does
No.
Bono have? How many Europas does he have? Bafana managed to shut those people down. Then you're gonna tell me about Salah now. Back then, Bruce managed to take out the best out of the players. They are not only performing Bafana, they are also performing on their team.
I mean, look at how Mbulu is playing now.
Mbulu is back. The only
Do you think that was Hugo Bruce's work?
it was.
Sipho
It was.
Sipho Mbule at
Sipho
Bafana
Mbule-
Bafana,
Sipho
yeah.
Mbule, I can say Pirates brought his confidence back. And you remember the interview, Hugo Bruce stated why he called Mbule. He sat down with Mbule. He gave him a chance before playing for Sundown. We saw that it was great. Then after playing Sundowns, he said it wasn't only football-wise, but Mbule lost it. Then he sat with him down. He was like, "Do you want to play for World Cup?" Mbule was like, "Yeah."
And of course,
Yeah. He was like, "Yeah." Then he said, "I'm gonna give you one last chance. You fuck this up, you are done."
But you know he didn't do that thing to chase players.
which chief
Why?
players?
Why do you have
Name one
Why?
chess player who deserves that chance.
Why?
Ucele.
What did he do?
Ucele doesn't need
What did he do?
apology.
What did he do?
I mean,
Ucele needs to be told to
You know-
Ucele, come and play.
as a
Oaks,
coach,
umthetho.
Eba,
no,
Boy,
yeah, I agree. But
Umthetho. Umthetho doesn't need.
Also, McCarthy, based on the fact that Malibonge Khoza was there. That's Mamelodi Sundowns, guys.
But he's
No.
After you start, they can hear you properly.
And Malibonge cause.
no.
Yes.
Boy,
No, McCarthy.
I'm gonna
Same
on
thing.
this thing, ne, I'm gonna defend Hugo Bruce. You know, based on what?
Based on what?
Buddha, when you go somewhere, they say now there's a fight. Ne? There's a fight. Now, Kona, this other guy just came to you because you were with this girl, beat you up. Who are you going to call? Will you go out there just because you saw speech or whoever beating up at this other person, or you gonna come to us because you trust us and go and call and want us to beat that guy up? You'll come to us running. You won't go just because you saw this other guy beating 10 people. You won't go to him because you
Ah.
don't trust that guy.
Oh.
You choose his players based on who have I used before. Who do I trust?
Okay.
do I think
Which
is
game did he use Kopiro? Thank you, siyabonga. Which game?
No,
Which
no,
game
don't
did you?
choose it.
Okay,
Don't
which game
choose it.
did you use
Bon,
Malibonge
Bon,
cause?
Bon. No, Bon.
Which game did you use Malibonge cause?
Hugo Bruce chooses based on what he prefers. My figure kuwe uyabona ukuthi
So shintshile. So choose what you trust.
Oh.
Oh yes, wonderful. So switch from choosing what you trust. Uma ukhoza umtrust embone kuphi? Emdlalise kuphi?
Let me talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can choose izinto zivaya in many ways, ne? So you can choose. He chooses based on what he has used before, and he chooses on what he believes in.
Man,
He sees a talent. He's like,
he
okay,
believes
this one,
on the potential.
yeah. You can see, okay, this one in future might do this and this. Okay, then he sees,
And
in this team,
It's
there's
slow.
been a problem of this and this,
Slow.
so I can't take this.
Slow.
person.
and that's why I think he chose Capito over Krobler
Problem.
because of the future.
Okay.
Sana, that
Tell me-
guy, that
tell
guy
me-
has
tell
a
me-
bigger
tell me
mind than
a
everyone.
center
That's
back.
why he's a coach there, not anyone. That's why he managed to stay there and managed to make us achieve a lot of things. Okay, if you check, ne, sorry, if you check before you get kukhuluma lento for ukukhuluma, if
Sure.
you check, Shakes, how long did he stay in Mzansi?
Fine,
Not
it
that
wasn't
long.
wrong, yeah.
How long has Hugo Bruce stayed?
Yeah, Hugo Bruce has been there for.
Do you
No,
remember?
nah, it's not that
But
long.
nah, it's been.
Nah, it's not that
it's
long.
been.
That is
It's
since
been.
Nah, it's not that long.
Because
Remember-
Hugo Bruce took over after Mulifinzi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember the fights that Hugo Bruce had to fight against for us to trust him. The same fights that Pito had to face. The difference is Pito, I don't know, maybe Pito is from here and us as abantu base-South Africa, we always believe ukuthi people from Persia have better experience
From
than
where?
us. Persia, abroad.
Like,
So Upito, he did the same thing that Hugo Bruce was doing. Was fighting against the system, fighting for politicians to leave the football club because politics and football don't mix.
Yeah.
Hugo Bruce managed to defeat that thing. That made him. That was his first victory before anything. Then Manje he managed to stay longer than every other coaches. You know why? Because he's doing his own thing. He doesn't listen to anyone. He doesn't listen to Chiefs fans. Doesn't listen to Pirates fans. You can shout out and say you can. No, he chooses what he wants.
He listens to a Pirates
He
former
doesn't.
player.
He doesn't.
Helmin Makelele.
He doesn't listen. He
Oh,
chooses what he because
Helmin
honestly,
Makelele.
honestly speaking, whether you're favoring Sundowns, you're favoring Chiefs, you have to admit Pirates has been playing it is getting none. Players that
Okay,
Pirates
okay,
have been
okay.
having more potential than other players.
Ama top goal scorers wemzansi. We league PSL. Umahopo number 1.
Mahopa is not a goal scorer.
Uh-uh.
Mahopa is not a goal
Answer the
scorer.
question.
It's
What?
okay, correct me if I'm wrong, ne? Correct me.
Mm-mm.
It's
Answer
not.
the
It's not a
question.
not goal
Answer the
Yeah? What's
question.
the question again?
Umahopa una how many goals?
This season,
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
I think it's una 2 goals.
But I know he has more assists than us every
Ah.
year.
Una 2 goals.
I know it's
And
more
what's
assists.
what's the whole point of a striker? Do you prefer a striker that assists or a striker that scores?
I prefer a striker that helps us win.
Uh-uh.
I prefer a striker that
No,
helps us win.
no. I'll answer your
doesn't.
question.
doesn't.
I'll answer your question. Do you prefer a striker that scores or a striker that
But
assists?
how am I not
Answer the question. Do you prefer a striker that scores or a striker that assists?
Why is my answer
Answer the
Okay.
question.
okay? Okay,
Answer the question.
This in this manner.
Ungathi.
Right now.
But
But I'm gonna
answer the
wait.
question.
Mahopa way.
The whole point of the striker is to score, ne?
Yeah.
But based on the team system, some teams score with the attacking midfielder. Some teams score with the midfielder. Midfielder. Sorry.
When I answer a question, ngibuze wena.
I say I
You said
prefer-
what?
I prefer the striker that scores.
Okay. Now Ukropla is the top goal scorer.
Wait, let me continue. I prefer a striker that scores.
Yeah.
Scores, ne? But after studying how South Africa plays and the history of South Africa has never won a proper game with a striker. They don't. Was Pure Shabalala a striker? But he has the greatest goal.
Did we win that game? Did we win that game where Chabalala scored?
We won.
It wasn't a win, it was a draw. 1-1. It was 1-1. We didn't win.
Equalizer, ne?
No, he scored first, then they equalized.
Okay, cool. He mentioned Mpela.
Yeah.
I can say we never qualified to the World Cup because we had a striker like Mpela. How many chances? Yeah, listen. What I'm saying is, if Mzansi is not strong with the striker, that makes Umahopa the perfect fit for Mzansi.
Okay,
If you
tell
look
me a
at
better striker
Umahopa,
better than Upen Makat.
there is no better striker. I mean, that guy competed against Ronaldo at the time.
Asikhuluma ngemzansi. Asikhuluma ukuthi you competed against
That's
what?
what I'm saying. There is no better striker. Penny McCarthy, he was a skilled striker. He was a striker that can play.
So why aren't you trying to find a solution in that thingy instead of adapting to a new thing?
The solution.
Tell me a nation that has won a big thing, a big major trophy without a striker.
Giroud.
France.
A big nation that has won without a striker.
They won the World Cup. What's bigger than the World Cup?
Don't
Okay.
forget anything.
Giroud was a striker. Did he score how
No,
many goals?
it's not about him scoring, but he position
Exactly. Striker.
striker.
He didn't score any.
Umakopa uthi akusi striker. He's saying Umakopa akusi
I
striker.
didn't say he's not a striker.
Uthi akusi striker.
Scoring striker. We don't need.
So what's the whole point of a striker?
We don't
Did
need.
Giroud score goals in that World Cup?
What's the whole point of a striker?
We don't need a Haaland. We don't need a Haaland from Zanzibar.